3 and 3. Here we go. In case you've missed the last couple, here's where we're at with Star Wars Volume 2. We need a common Darth Maul and a rare Darth Maul to complete all of these guys, all rarities of all characters, and a legendary Obi-Wan. So that's what we're shooting for.
Yep, and if we can, a Grail, but we've basically given up on the Ultra Grails.
Yeah, I mean, the odds are just not really in our favor. If you look here, guys, look, Zuafo. I know there's only one of each of these, so none there, none there, none there, and none there, right? A Grail Mini would be great for this, but again,
I mean,
over 200 and we have none. So, we're just really trying to close out the collections here and not worry so much about these guys. All right. That said, in we go. Now, last 2 pulls, Nikki got things that we didn't have before, so he's going to keep it going.
Until I lose the magic touch.
And
will I lose it or will I keep it?
Common or rare Darth Maul, legendary Obi-Wan. That's what we're shooting for. And Nikki lost it with the common Padme, which we already have. So that means it's Daddy's turn to try his luck. 1 or 2, 1 or 2. We'll just do what we do. And will this be the end of the video with something new? Or will we open up that last Star Wars with a dupe on this one? I'm so nervous.
Take that!
It is a dupe. It is a dupe with the legendary Padme, which is right here. Dupe for Nikki, dupe for Daddy. Now, here's the question. You lost the magic touch. I lost the magic touch. We have one more Star Wars Holocron. Who is going to be the one to open it?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors?
All right.
Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors,
shoot. Oh, look how we tied.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. What the hell was that?
Paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Rock,
Paper,
scissors, shoot. Oh! Daddy opens it.
Oh.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Well, we'll be back tomorrow and you'll with the Star Wars.
No, we won't be back.
I'm sorry, with Masters of the Universe. Sorry. Did that rock, paper, scissors win end up in our favor? It did not.
Yay!
Okay. We are stacking up. Ooh, nice cereal. We are stacking up our Padmes along with all of our Leias that we have in Volume 1. So, all right. Well, even though we said, well, what do you want to do? Do you want to keep going right into Masters of the Universe in the same video?
Yeah.
Right? We said dupes are dupes, right? Doesn't matter. We didn't say we were only going to do one. Oh, no. No, because then I have like the thumbnail and the cover art and all that stuff. So, extra video for you guys. Better organization for us guys. So that's it. It's the end of our Star Wars Cubes for right now, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow at Masters of the Universe Wave 2. And see what we can fill in over here, right? We're looking, right? These guys here. So, we'll see you soon.